Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to change name on Skype. Also I wonder why you want to know how to change name on Skype. Maybe when you created your account you accidentally did a spelling mistake and now you want to correct it. Or maybe you just want to change your name from real to another name, or maybe from a fake name to a real name, or it could be any other reason for you to change your name on Skype. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First we have to make sure that you have already installed the Skype from Google Play or App Store. Once it gets installed, just simply tap on its icon to open the Skype. Once the Skype gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the Skype looks. We have option almost all over the screen. So from all these options, what we have to do is that we have to just simply tap on our profile icon, which is on the top left side of the screen. Once you get here, you will see on the top your name is written, and other than that, you will see many different options. Here every option has its own purpose that it performs in this app. As you can see your name on the top, now we will see how we can change that if you have accidentally did a spelling mistake. So just simply tap on your name to edit it. Once you get here, you will see your profile, and here you will see many different options. Here you can see you can even upload a profile picture, you can change your name and can do other things. So this is your name, and if you want to change it, along with the right side of it you will see this pencil icon. You just have to simply click on this pencil icon. After that, keyboard will open, and with the help of keyboard you can easily edit your name. So to edit your name, first you have to remove your existing name, then you have to enter your name. You could either add your real name, you can add your surname, you can remove your surname, you can add any kind of made up name, or any kind of name, whatever you like you can add it. There is no limitation to it, like you can only add your original name. Whatever comes to your mind you can add that. And once you add that, you don't have to go to save this one, you just have to simply get back, and there you will see your name will be uploaded on your profile. Now once you have changed your name and now you're back on the front page, on the top you will see your name. So the name that you have just corrected, or maybe you have just renewed, will appear on the top of your front page of the Skype. There you can see we have successfully edited or changed the name from the previous one to the new name. So if you follow all the instructions that are done in this video, you can also easily upload your name on your Skype profile. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change your name on Skype. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.